In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and manage social accounts in Genshin Impact. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your Facebook and follow the same flow for other platforms, so signing in is faster and your account stays easy to access across devices. Start by opening your browser and going to the official HoYoverse account page. On the home page, click Login. Enter your HoYoverse username or the email tied to your account, then your password, and sign in. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the legitimate HoYoverse site before proceeding. Once you're in, head to your account overview and find the section for linked accounts. Click the Link Account button. You'll see a list of services you can connect. Choose Facebook, then select Link. For security, HoYoverse will confirm it's really you. Click Send to receive a verification code. Complete the quick CAPTCHA that appears, then press OK to continue. Now check your inbox for the verification code sent by HoYoverse. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, refresh, and look in your spam or promotions folder. Enter the code exactly as shown, then click Next to proceed. A Facebook login window will pop up. Sign in with your Facebook email and password and continue to log in. You'll be asked to authorize HoYoverse to use your Facebook account for sign-in. Confirm to complete the link. When it's successful, you'll be taken back to the HoYoverse linked accounts page where Facebook should now appear as connected. If you want to add another platform like Twitter X, you'll follow the same process. Pick the service from the linked accounts list, click Link, send and enter the verification code after completing the CAPTCHA, then authorize the connection in the pop-up window. Each platform you link will show up on that same management page so you can see everything at a glance. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Allow pop-ups for the HoYoverse site so the authorization window can open. Double check you're logging into the correct social account before approving. And if a code doesn't arrive, resend it after a short wait and verify your email is correct on your HoYoverse profile. For added protection, consider enabling two-factor authentication on both your HoYoverse and social accounts. That's it. You've linked Facebook and learned how to repeat the exact steps for other services, all from the linked account section. Thanks for watching and enjoy a simpler, safer sign-in experience with Genshin Impact.